Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create smooth zoom in video in CapCut. So tap on your project, select your video you want to edit, and I already have one project here. So first one, just tap on the clip, select keyframe, and swipe until the end of the video. So add the keyframe again, and then you can zoom in the clip like so, and select the middle of the clip, and then just going to tap on the grab picture and below, and then select easy in 1, 2 or 3. So here I am going to select easy in 3, tap on easy in 3 grabs, and then you can see the result. So this is the smooth zoom in video using grabs in CapCut. Go, just click check mark, and you can also adjust for the add the beat here. So that's how to smooth zoom in video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.